Hello, and now for the excitement of resin filler that I tell you about all the time. Here it is in the gun. I've mixed it up on top of this. Just mixed it on there with my filling knives. Nice and easy, a bit like mixing dough. And then this I've already filled with expanding foam that I showed you in a previous video, and that was to pack it right the way down there and fill that gap. But that's not a final filler. It's too squishy, look. It's more like, I don't know, meringue or something, but it's good to pack it out. And then use your resin. I like to do it on a big knife, and this one, squish it in. Oh yeah. And the reason I didn't just use this all the way down, this is expensive. That 2 tubes there is about £40, and it doesn't go very far. So you only use it as your final finishing one. That foam stuff was only about 10 quid, and I did the whole of the staircase with that. So, yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh yeah. And then, it's good to get this on, a bit like icing a cake. Try and get it as good as possible, so you're not spending time afterwards trying to sand it and shape it and everything. So I pack it in nice and quick, and then get my blade and drag it along. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. And you probably can't see, but I'm not going as flat as possible. I'm actually on a beveled angle. Not as much as that, but it is beveled. That way the filler is in the gap and spans right the way across to that front. So there's less chance of it cracking along that join between the gap and the skirting board. So I'll show you that again. See my angle? It's kind of like that. That's a bit exaggerated. It's more like that. So it's not a 45 degree, in fact it's not 45, it's a 90 degree angle, isn't it? That's what it would normally be, but that's not quite 90. It's probably more like, 90 is a bit wider than 90, maybe 95 or 97. And then you put some more in and just keep on going. And you get a good working time with this. You get at least half an hour. Oops. And there's a good gooey lump, get rid of that. That's because I used an old tube and that was stuck in the top. Yeah, looking nice. And then do it again. Oh yeah. Yeah, and that will be a pretty much perfect repair that no matter how much you run up and down these stairs with these dinosaur feet like this, it's not going to crack. Oh yeah, job done. Bye. Oh yeah, always wear gloves because it's toxic, and if you get it on your face, you'll end up with a blown up face like Elephant Man. I did that once and ended up at A&E. You don't want that to happen. Bye.